My dear brothers and sisters, the scripture readings of today challenge us with this question: what kind of a person I become when God entrusts people and responsibility to me? In the first reading, we hear of the shepherd. As a shepherd, the shepherd had certain role and responsibility and had to fulfill it till the end. Each one of us are also called to be shepherds in our family, as husband and wife, as parents, in children in school. Maybe they assign various roles, responsibilities, so they are called shepherds. Our workplace, you'll have certain team members under you. So each one of us, at times are shepherd, at times are sheep. But as shepherd, what is my role and responsibility? I cannot decide I will work only with the pleasant ones, I'll forget the difficult ones, or the wayward ones, or the wounded ones. I'll leave them aside and focus only on the pleasant ones. No. Today the Lord reminds us, I need to take everyone together. I need to work with the difficult ones too and bring them into my fold. And in the gospel passage, Jesus calls us or draws us to even something deeper and further as a shepherd laboring in his vineyard. So each one of us, being disciples and followers of Christ, are laboring in his vineyard to bring people closer to Christ through our words and action. And so here Jesus is reminding us that we cannot ask God to measure his generosity based on our calculation. I might work 12 hours in the vineyard of the Lord for his goodness, and I might say God should reward me more than someone who has worked 8 hours. That is for God to decide. And so let us not calculate how many hours I have given or what reward I'll get in return, but be sure or rest assured, as God always says, you will receive your reward in heaven. And so we open our hearts and minds to God, allowing him to lead us, to guide his sheep under our care.